Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to DM on Discord without being friends using simple and allowed methods. By default, Discord doesn't let you message users unless you share a server or are friends, but there are workarounds. First, make sure you and the other person are in the same Discord server. Open that server, find the user in the member list, right-click on their name and select Message. If their privacy settings allow it, the DM window will open instantly. If you can't message them, it means they have disabled DMs from server members. In that case, ask them to enable it by going to User Settings, Privacy and Safety, and turning on Allow Direct Messages from server members. Another option is replying to someone's message in a server and politely asking them to DM you first. That's it. These are the only legitimate ways to DM without being friends on Discord. Subscribe the channel for more videos.